August 23, 2023, India accomplished something extraordinary. The Chandrayaan-3 mission achieved a safe and soft landing of Vikram lander on the lunar surface. With this, India became the fourth country in the world to land on the moon, and the first ever to land near the southern polar region of the moon. Moments later, the Pragyan rover rolled out, marking another step forward for our space science. The landing site was named Shiv Shakti Point, a symbol of determination and divine energy, and our Honorable Prime Minister declared August 23rd as National Space Day. In 2025, we celebrate this remarkable achievement for the second time. This year's theme is powerful and poetic. Aryabhat to Gaganyaan, ancient wisdom to infinite possibilities. It reminds us that our journey into space is not just about rockets and satellites. It's about connecting the brilliance of our ancient scholars with the limitless horizons of tomorrow.
Everybody has to celebrate this National Space Day has to honor our space scientists. Okay? And there are wonders in the universe that everybody has to know about it. That is why we are celebrating this National Space Day. So the thought we get from this day is...
Okay, again this is the question time.